Hey everyone, this is the day two preparation, so of getting into Master C from IIT Kanpur. So basically, what happened is like I applied for multiple IITs. So I got another IIT call, admission call from IIT Jodhpur. So I have to go to Jodhpur on 8th May. I have to give the interview and written test there in this date and this time. So this one is going on, and after that a bit busy. And also I got some other admissions call from IIT Hyderabad. Majorly they shared documents and they asked me for apply, and they shared one Google form actually. So I have to fill this one. So what are the preferred paper I'm selected, and in that way I have to give some data points here. So this is the one, and so these things are going on. And also today majorly I spend my time on this programming, like obviously I have a programming test there, and at the same time in interviews obviously they'll ask these questions. So I have to be very strong in Python. So I have to be very strong in solving. Definitely they'll give one scenario, and after that they'll ask these questions. So majorly I'm going through Geeks for Geeks only. So Geeks for Geeks, because I don't want to go to lead code, because of I don't think they will ask you that difficult level. So if you have the overall understanding, like how to solve the, if you have the logic, and they won't check for the optimized code, they check for the whether you can able to solve it or not, whether they give one problem statement, whether you have the ability to solve it or not. That they're going to check. They're not going to check about the DSA part, like, I mean, optimized way. So whether if you know the brute force manner, or if you're able to solve the problem, then it's fine. So that's the information I'm get from few of my seniors. And so I contacted few people, who are already doing masters in IIT Jodhpur and IIT Kanpur and other IITs. And so they told me, like, you have to solve the problem. So I mean, I don't know, maybe from this year they might change. They're expecting something, I don't know. So let's see what happens. But majorly I spend my time on these aspects, and also booking flight tickets and other things. And also my entire plan got changed. So earlier I booked a ticket from Hyderabad to Lucknow. From Lucknow to Kanpur I have to go. So that's the plan. But because of this Jodhpur one, so I have to cancel the ticket, and I already booked my ticket from Hyderabad to Jaipur. From Jaipur to Jodhpur I have to travel. So that is there, and I have to appear for that interview. So this is the current plan. Majorly, I spend my time on this list and tuples and dictionaries and how to solve these problems. And so these things I observe. So they given these questions, and I just have to try. So just observe this and just try it. So whether and also they given many approaches and how to solve this one. So solve this one in this way. So yeah, I think. So this would be better actually. So instead of just understand what is the logic and how to solve these things. So if you go on through these things, I think this would be enough. So this is what I'm thinking. So let's see what happens in the future. So next, uh, my plan is like, program is done. So I think tomorrow and day after tomorrow I have to cover this machine learning part, and so algorithm deep learning, and also few programming mathematics I have to cover. Majorly matrices I have to cover, and probability I have to cover. So these are the things. So by Sunday or Monday, I have to be ready. Then I have to catch a flight on Tuesday, and I have to go there. We go to Jodhpur, and I have to give the interview there. And of course, interview in the sense, of course, they asked me to do the programming also. That is also there. So I have to be ready. So let's see, guys, what happens.